outside, Kristen?
Yeah, than where we should be, right? 66 is our normal high. We made it to 61 briefly today. We're down to 54 now, and that's because the gray skies are giving way to rain, and that is definitely bringing some much needed relief to some of us allergy sufferers, and of course it'll be good for the plants as well. But get ready for it. It's moving in. It's here to stay for a while. Here's the rain pushing in through I-84 from Parkdale to Hood River. Some heavier showers happening, and you saw the camera in Skamania. That rain is really coming down in parts of the gorge, and then it's all continuing to head east. So Portland is just now getting started. A pocket of heavier showers just developed on the western side of Portland up near Vancouver. You can see the rain kind of intensifying there back towards Milwaukee as well. And then up north, we can see those showers continue up through Vancouver up to Battleground, and even St. Helens getting in on some of the action. Stormier weather east of the Cascades. Eastern Oregon has been getting pounded by some thunderstorms that have been developing and heading from south to north. Everything kind of going from southeast to northwest around this broad area of low pressure, but having to keep a close eye on some of these thunderstorms for hail and gusty winds out in and around the Burns area. All of this does settle down though once the sun goes down, so that'll be pretty soon. And then watching for a few stray more thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon, so we'll definitely be keeping a close eye out east of the Cascades. As far as Portland goes for the rest of this evening, the rain is moving in. It'll be on and off, but expect more wet time than dry time, especially after midnight tonight, and that's when we're really going to get into some steady rain, and we could pick up a decent amount too by tomorrow morning. So staying cool, and we'll see winds kind of out in the northwest at 5 to 10, so the winds won't be too breezy. We turn wetter overnight. We continue to keep that going, and that means the potential for 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch of rain by morning. It starts to taper off a little bit for the afternoon, but it's still going to be wet at times, just a little lighter for tomorrow afternoon. And we're staying cool. Our highs only in the mid to upper 50s tomorrow afternoon. Normally, again, they're in the mid 60s, so we're definitely cooling things off compared to where we should be, and considerably from where we were this weekend. What a 180. Your forecast for tomorrow morning, we're in the low 50s, and that rain could be moderately heavy at times all the way through late morning. By the time we get into the afternoons after lunch, we start to change it up a little bit. Still cloudy, still a little bit of rain at times, but again, it'll be on the lighter side. I'll play it out for you, and the showers this evening will continue to head west through the gorge and into the northern portions of the Willamette Valley. Now, there is going to be an area that really gets in on some soaking rains. You can see this band kind of setting up here, and right now it looks like it'll be north of Portland. This could fluctuate though, so if you get caught in it, that's where we're going to see some of our highest totals. And again, that'll be tomorrow morning, so that could really affect that morning commute. So you'll want to tune in to Sally, and she'll kind of help guide you through it, because we all know what those roads can look like and how bad traffic can be when it's rush hour and the rain is coming down, especially when it could come down kind of heavily. Tomorrow afternoon, we'll continue to see showers on and off, a little bit lighter. Eastern Oregon, we'll continue to see showers scattered here, not quite as wet east of the Cascades, but watching for that potential for thunder. And we get into Wednesday, and the weather stays unsettled. In fact, it stays unsettled all week long. We're stuck in this trend for a while. Temperatures in the low to mid 50s for the coast, 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch of rain. Wet start for I-5, mid 50s there. Central and eastern Oregon, scattered showers, not as wet, but watching for a few stray storms. 60s out towards Baker City, and then showers and a stray thunderstorm for the gorge. And for the Cascades, snow up above 5,000 feet, 1 to 4 inches of it. Your 7-day forecast showing the cooler weather sticking around, though it does get better by Friday, and the weekend doesn't look bad with highs approaching 70 and dry conditions.